Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Don't underestimate what pressures of modern life, whether it is work deadlines, the daily commute, or just simply never having enough hours in the day, does to our immune system. Add to that the nutritional deficiencies we can develop, the environmental stresses and allergens. Our immune system is always busy and practically exhausted most of the time. Now that we are living in the COVID era, we have no choice but to support our immune system as much as possible to give ourselves a fair fighting chance against this virus. This is where adaptogenic herbs come in. I'm sure you're wondering what these are. Well, the clue is in their name. They literally help the body to adapt, adjust, and recalibrate itself depending on our emotional and physical surroundings. So, for example, they can help calm us down in times of stress, and they can give clarity when everything around us in turmoil, or they can give energy when we are tired. Pretty cool, isn't it? The term adaptogen was introduced into scientific literature by a Russian toxicologist in 1957 to refer to substances that increase the state of non-specific resistance in stress. Broadly, an adaptogen must have the 4 N's. Nourishing, it brings nutritive strength. Normalizing, they raise what is low and lower what is high. Example, energy or stress. Third, they are non-specific. They act on multiple parts of the body at the same time, and they are non-toxic. They're completely safe when used over extended periods of time. Some of the main adaptogenic herbs include ashwagandha, Tulsi, which is also called holy basil, turmeric, ginseng, licorice root, Astragulus root, rhodiola, and a variety of mushrooms. But this is not it. You have many more out there. It is difficult to determine which one to take when. I have found blends of these herbs to be a lot more effective and easier to take, honestly. This is the adaptogen formula that I use. All right, I'm going to put it up on the screen for you to see. It's the Imperial Adaptogen, the ultimate tonic formula. Now, I am a medical herbalist. I know my herbs, and I can tell you from experience that this is a good quality formula, and the blend is pretty decent. As you can see, the blend contains a large variety of herbs. If you are taking blood thinners, experiencing hot flashes, if you're taking any hormone regulating drugs, including thyroid medication, you should never take adaptogens without consulting a naturopath or your PCP first. Because remember, these are herbs. Herbs have medicinal properties. They are potent. They're strong. You cannot just willy-nilly pick up whatever herb you hear about and start taking it. Not all herbs work for everyone. So please be careful. Adaptogens can cause nervousness in some individuals. They can cause upset stomach and hot flushes. Adaptogens should never be taken during pregnancy. So please be mindful of that. This is why I always recommend working with a natural healthcare provider so they can monitor the effects of these herbs on you. These herbs have been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. They work for me, and I'm sure they will work for you. Again, I would recommend a blend like this. If you find something better, go for it. We need these tonics during this coronavirus pandemic more than ever. Please share the information with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon with another video. Goodbye.